These are always a main attraction at Unique Specialty and Classics when we get them in from time to time. Take a look at this one, 1964 Amphicar 770 convertible. That's right, on land or on water. It will do both. It's powered by a 1147cc inline 4-cylinder manual transmission. We are going to start it up. Let's hear it run. We'll take a peek at the engine bay, but first take a look at the headlights. Chrome grille up front. These would be your latches for the storage area, and there's also a spare tire underneath the floor right there, and then your gas fill will all be up front on this one, with the engine being in the rear. It latches by a tool that goes down in here, turn them tight. Same on the rear, and we'll get into that in just a little bit too when we start it up. Let you see the engine bay. First, all the still pictures. You'll see this from the underside. You're going to see it with the top up, top down. You'll see that engine compartment we're talking about, the storage area. Over 100 pictures of this car online, just like all our cars. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. White wall radial tires. You can see the Amphicar wheel cover, steel wheels. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side on this one. You can see paint shows well in this car. Nice shape. No major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might find a little imperfection here or there that's been touched up or what have you, but overall, paint shows well. Take a look at this interior. Yellow and white two-tone interior. Of course, the convertible top cover. You can see how that snaps on. That'll pop off. Manually fold up the convertible top that is also white vinyl. And we're going to do that. Let's check out the condition of that also. So 4-speed manual transmission. Of course, that's going to run, I guess if you want to call it like a PTO, or the drive system that will go ahead and supply power to the two props in the rear. This is the latch for the hood, I guess if you will, on the engine bay. And of course, that right there should be for a light. We'll check that out when we pop the hood and take a peek underneath there. Both the decks on them, front and rear deck, are fiberglass. It's going to be where your exhaust exits. But when it is in the water, you want that up above the water. Once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. And yes, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it drives out. Some recent restoration work that's been done on this vehicle. Radiator was gone through, does have a new belt, new brakes, new master cylinder, new gaskets in the engine and transmission, gas tank sealed, electric fuel pump, alternator, and radio all new. Just a couple notes in this one from the technician. Some minor powertrain seeps, nothing out of the ordinary for a car that, you know, the engine runs in it and drives and does what it should. And the front brake shoes will need some attention sooner than later. So let's go ahead and take a look down this driver's side now. If you like unique vehicles, for lack of a better term, no matter what they are, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Once again, up and down that driver's side, you can see really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches on that side either. Vinyl seats, nice shape, no rips, tears, holes. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up. It's probably going to be easiest if I just kind of lean in here. I am in neutral. Turn the key and it always pops right over. Anytime I've moved this car or started it up, there you can actually see a fuel gauge. Radio I mentioned earlier. Alright, so yes, this is where your light, navigation light, would go down in there, and that is actually stashed behind the seat where the convertible top folds down to. There you can see that radiator's been gone through. There it is, 1147 cc. I believe Triumph used that engine. I mentioned the carb had been gone through, you can see that. Batteries from 2024, Optima battery disconnect. When it's in storage, you're in between drives. Pretty cool, running pretty smooth too. How cool. All right, let me go ahead and pause this a second. I'm going to go ahead and fold that top up again. Manual top, fold it up, get it latched. We're going to check out the condition of that before we send Jason out with it for a drive. And the convertible top folded up. So obviously manual top to fold up. One person can handle it pretty easily, a minute or two, and you got it up, latch snapped. All right. There's your fit above the windshield after it's latched down, and you can see white vinyl. Snaps on the side. And also rolled up the side glass, so you can see how that fits. Looks good. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Really showing much wear at all. That rear window nice and clear. Around to the passenger side. Again, side glass rolled up. Pretty nice fit. And again, no rips, tears, holes, snaps, fits well. So no surprises there. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Nope, it'll be on dry land. Sorry, he's not going to hit the water with it. But it'll float. 1964 Amphicar 770 convertible. Number to call. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. How fun would this be in the summer? Look forward to hearing from you.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1964 Amphicar, the amphibious vehicle. So you can drive this baby right into the water, and the props in the back will propel you with your throttle, and you steer with your front wheels. It's a car and a boat. It is such a sweet little car. Starts and rides great. 4-speed manual right here on the floor, easy to drive. Feels a little bit like a Volkswagen maybe. Turn signal indicators are working. The radio even works. How many cars have you been in that on the sticker it says put the bilge plug in? That's kind of important on a boat. Our speedometer's working. The clock is actually, I don't know if it's accurate, but it has moved. It's counting the minutes. The fuel tank shows between 1/4 and 1/2 of a tank. I'm gonna go down to a stop here and first gear. Now, I don't see a needle in the temperature gauge. Very smooth shifting, very smooth clutch. Beautiful colors, that yellow and blue, so bright. Check this out. I don't know if you can hear that. It is a neat little horn. Convertible, and we do have the top down today. As you can see, though, it is winter in Minnesota. It's a little chilly out, but that's okay. We do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. The tail fins on the back. Such a cool look. This car, easy to start, easy to drive. What can I say? Check out all the pictures of this 64 Amphicar at uniqueclassiccars.com.